Yeah. Show us how you can eat with a spoon, babe. Show us. Nope, that's not the way. Juice? Put it back in there. Here. Scoop some. Look, there's some on the spoon. There. Now you do it. Yum.
Papa.
Nope, not bye-bye.
Mama.
Mm-hmm.
Mama.
Hi, baby. Good job. You're such a big boy. Mmm. Yum. Yeah. Hey, put that back over here. Don't drop that. Yum. Uh-oh. You're trying to put it back in there? Did you spill? Hi, baby. Can you say hi, Mom? Hi, Mom.
Mama.
Good job.
Mama.
Hi, babe.
Mama.
How are you? You good? Is that yummy? Yep, go on and get it. Are you all done with that?
Huh?
You're not done?
No.
Then you should eat it. Good job. You're almost done, babe. You can finish if you want. Are you done now? That's not a straw, silly. Straw, no. That's a spoon. Can you say spoon?
Yeah.
Are you done? Nope, you still got some left in there. Yum. What are you doing? Is that good? It must be good. Okay. All done. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye?
Mama, Papa. Mom, Papa. Mom, Papa.
Mom, bye-bye.
Papa.
Good job.
Papa.
Can you look right here?
Papa.
Good job. Bye-bye.